Hi, this is Jackie from 4-Star Homes. I'm starting the front porch at 50 Seagull. This is in Countryside. Lovely park. Very sought after. When I get one in here, they don't last long. So this is awesome. Front porch. I'm going through the sliding glass door into the living room. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that, folks. A true Florida home. I love it. Here's the dining room. Front door. This big open kitchen. I just love it. They've done such great things in here. All the storage. This place is immaculate. Very well cared for. Okay, we're walking through the living room, going towards the 2 bedrooms and the bathrooms. Got a storage closet right here. This is the guest bathroom, as you can see. Look at that beautiful new sink. Very nice. Into the guest bedroom. Nice, bright, and cheery. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Okay, back out into the hallway and over to the master. Isn't this beautiful? Just take that in. Wow. I love it. So, this couple is immaculate. Really beautiful. Look at that. Going into the master bath. There we go. Oh, it's a clamshell sink. That's cute. Nice colors. Walk-in shower, as you can see. Extra storage over here. Oops, sorry about that. Very nice. Back into the master. Over to this nice, look at the size of this walk-in closet. Isn't it beautiful? Here's her door. She truly loves the Florida lifestyle, and it's reflected in the home. I really love what they've done in here. So I'm walking back into the living room. Isn't it beautiful? How open and homey this is. There's that front porch I started with. Back over to the dining room, and we're ending up at the beautiful open kitchen. So again, this is 50 Seagull Circle. It is in Countryside, which is Vero Beach, Florida. My name is Jackie. I work for 4-Star Homes. My phone number is 203-592-1350. Please call. We've got a motivated seller. Thank you.